route variables. What I want to do is that, yes please sir. So I'm going to enter Android and Android over here. Then I'm going to say login, right? Sorry, Codekul and Codekul, and then Codekul, your username should precede the URL like this, Codekul. I want to achieve this thing. So you are saying that from the URL, see why you will use router, sir, right? So after the second, I am opening the profile of the user Codekul. So URL itself is suggesting you can put this into sitemap.xml, right? But in the usual, without router strategy, you cannot create the URLs that can be kept under the sitemap XML. So this URL is available in the sitemap. You can put this URL as it is in the sitemap, which will help you a lot in the time of your branding, SEO, right? So going with this structure is altogether good for your branding purpose, right? Now see, here I want to change this second URL. So I want to say like this, /USNM is one route variable. So this thing is called as route variable USNM. After the colon, whatever name is there, that thing is called as, what you can say, variable. That thing is called as variable, right? Or more precisely, route variable, right? So I'll go here, right? I'll go here in the first component .ts, right? In the first component .ts, now you are tapping the second. So second is no more, because second is coming with some route variable. So if you hit only second, so let me remove that if loop. So I don't want this if condition, just direct navigation I would like to have, right? Directly second, and let me go over here, and here you can enter Codekul and Codekul, and then you can say login. See, no more, it's not working because that path is not available. If you do second /Codekul, now this is working, but only second will not work because there is no URL like that. So second with, what you can say, some US name, so that variables can be passed like this. So second argument of the array is nothing but the route variables, comma separated route variables. So these are nothing but what? Route variables. Now you will see, if I say Android and Android, we have removed the condition. Say now login, right? Can you see Android is coming over here? Android is coming over here. So in the navigate function, first thing is the URL, and the second thing is nothing but what? You can say second thing is the route variables, comma separated route variables. First parameter will always, what you can say, your link, and second parameters are always route variables which are coming into your routes like this, right? Now forget password also has some route variable. So I'll go to here, and same thing I'll pass over here, say USNM, username, right? And if I want to do same thing, right, if I want to do same thing with this router link, how you will do? Just comma separated, right? Separate with the comma, and here you can write Codekul. Here you can write what? Codekul. So you can compare this is the array as the same that you have passed, right? That you have passed to the navigate. So this array and this array are comparable. You can compare them, right? Both are looking like same. So router link also accepts an array and navigate function also accepts an array, means router link internally calling the navigate function. You can have your judgment from this, right? I'll show you now. So how forget is working, let us see. So here you can go to the empty, which is nothing but the first component. Here I am going to call, here it is coming the codekul, right? Here it is coming the codekul. Now I am going to call Android, and then I am going to call codekul, and here you can say login, here you can say Android over here. So I have passed route variables from the router link directive and the navigate function. I have passed the route variables from the navigate function and the router link variable, right? And the router link variable. Right, in the next video or in the next chapter, I am going to read this username from the URL and I am going to show that over here. Welcome Android. How to read the router variables or route variables, that we'll see in the next tutorial. Right.